Friends, good afternoon. I'm SanjayAgrawal, so I'm joined with Akansha. She's a student from National Institute of Design. She's in the fourth year. She's doing at Bhopal. So she's got something in the sustainability space. It's more to do with the environment and it's about beach toys. So welcome Akansha. You can tell us about what you planned and how did it come about.
Yes, so basically, I come from Pradesh, National Institute of Design, and what I found out was Madhya Pradesh happens to be one of the top states that that produces bamboo in large number.
Really?
But yeah, it's because
Which
of
part
the
of Madhya Pradesh?
so because the entire state has majority of its area under forest cover. So because of that, at least in terms of
You
production and
mean
in
paint and all that, all the areas?
yeah.
Wide variety.
Wherever the bamboo is being grown. I mean, it's exported also to greater extent, but what's happening is it's being majorly used for constructions or like structural benefits. Product design and development isn't happening a lot. So the reason why I landed up here was that I came to know that I was in MP. Yeah.
You talk about this Osho, yeah?
Okay. Yes. So Oshore is basically reimagining bamboo beach toys. I think we can start from.
Okay, you can take a pause, you can take a break. Yes.
What we're actually trying to cover is the fact that if you look at beach toys, they are majorly made out of plastic, and the price range ranges from between 80 to 150 rupees usually. But the problem here is it's a very location specific and very short time period toy. So if these items, like if these plastic remains behind or is left behind on the shores, then it often leads to becoming the peak source of marine pollution. So that was an issue. So then I did look into what were the sustainable options that were there, and I realized that um, yeah,
Bamboo which
yes,
is grown.
oh
So
yes.
the bamboo which is grown in Dubai.
Yes. So what I realized was that there are sustainable options, but it's made out of recycled plastic or reusable silicone, all of that stuff. Now the problem that happens here is the price is high because of the processing that's required to recycle plastic, then make it into a moldable material. This is where bamboo comes into picture to be able to achieve something that is absolutely sustainable and biodegradable, but sits in the price range of something that's
So
made
this
out
is
of
a
plastic.
bucket?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
What's the weight for this bucket say?
what's the?
Grams? Weight.
I am not very
Let
sure.
me see.
Yes.
It's about 400 grams.
Yes. And it can be further reduced by reducing the extra mass that is here. So it comes in a set. It's Oshore toys. So what it comes up with is this water carrying toy that we have here, which is called Bucky. And along with Bucky, there's Sandy and Scoopy. So what these do is the child can pretty much play around with wet or dry sand and water using these toys, whether it's
Will you just take a video from this point? Yeah. So you can shoot here. You can see the child here holding this. And you want to play it again? Okay, it's done. Yep.
So I have some sand over here, and then the way to demonstrate is that the child can pick the sand using the scoop part, or sort of can dig out of it using this part. It also has holes drilled on its node, so the sand can be taken and then can be sieved into it, so that it separates the rocks from the sand itself.
Wonderful. This is so lovely.
Yes, and
Who thought of this? It's you?
yes. So this
To
is
get an award. I don't know whether you've already got one.
not yet. This is a recent project, so I'm yet to submit it to a lot of places.
PM Modi was at one of the beaches, I remember, where he was picking up garbage to tell our fellow Indians, that we don't need to, spill. And he was cleaning up, like you go to Everest or you go to any other mountain you climb. So there's a lot of garbage. People leave there. Then there are people who go there to clean up the garbage. So maybe one of your tools you can develop.
Yes.
Even for picking up those garbage.
Yes,
Those
definitely.
polythenes,
True.
everything.
Another interesting point is these are made in a certain way that they are all tessellating in nature. So
Okay, wonderful.
every cut makes sure that the bamboo is being entirely
Who
used.
makes this? Who
So
does this work?
currently I came up with the design in my
You did it
workshop in
yourself?
college. Yes, so we worked around
So you have a
this
spatula, means you, how did you do this?
in the workshop using vice and bamboo knife and all of
Yeah,
this.
please
There are
go
a few
ahead.
process pictures of
Great, great.
cutting the bamboo. There were a few iterations that were made, and then I gave it to kids and they explored it. I observed them and I realized that which was the one which the child was naturally picking or naturally
So
comfortable
when was
working
this?
around.
When did you start with this project? In which year was this?
It was in my recent years only, in my one of my recent semesters,
I'm
and
just wondering. I'm just thinking as a marketing person. Like today, when you're talking about storage of water,
yeah,
say in a thermos, steel or something,
yeah.
then the temperature is not maintained. Whereas
Yes.
bamboo, I think, would have some quality. And today, if I was to bring water here and put in this flask,
Okay.
it appears more like a flask also, not only a bucket.
Yes,
So
very
you
true.
can also have a cover,
Yeah,
and then you can also carry,
that is
make it,
there.
in the
Fully,
future.
yeah. And I made sure what I did here was the treatment and the dyes that were used
Yes.
were very natural dyes. So using haldi, alta,
Sure.
tea, and everything. I tried to experiment.
It's dip.
Yes. So this one was a method where I dipped them in different intensities in different
इसकी जरूरत
angles.
नहीं है.
For
Just to
the,
make it fashionable, is it?
yeah. Because I was reading about child psychology. So here you see them in their natural form against sand. So for the child also to be able to pick this over the
So
other
right now,
competitive
your
parts that are
Osho
there.
project, is it already giving these toys of the beaches or something? It's
Not
already
yet.
started?
No, not yet.
So
So
who's the, means who started this Osho? Is that your own?
yes, it is my
Okay.
little
So how
child
much
that
will this instrument or whatever you call them, buckets and scoopy,
yes,
how much do
Osho.
they cost?
That is interesting. So now this can be made out of bamboo worth of rupees just 3. And the bucket toy that we see here can be made using bamboo worth of rupees 7 only. So the raw material cost is pretty low, which makes it very easy to work around it and in a way be able to offer sustainability in a very affordable rate. So currently the plastic variants come around 80 to 150 rupees. This entire set also can sit in that same market price with a good amount of profit after calculating all the raw material and the processing and everything involved.
It's so nice, I think. And I'm just imagining that if you can make, earlier there used to be the drinking straws. जैसे आप लोग ने बचपन में फैंटा पिया होगा, they were straw. Paper was different, They were means corrugated. Then gradually there were these plastic molded straws. They were flexible straws. So if you're sitting on the beach and you want to have cola, you want to have your coconut water, so those flexible straws. So even in this, I think bamboo you can also make spoons.
Yes.
You can make knives out of it and
I
everything. Yeah, because we've got so much of, I think, bamboo, which is just growing. Even at my place, at my house, I have bamboo growing. And I don't know, I have to like kind of, deal with it in different
Because it's a
sense.
colony plant, often happens that anybody who has bamboo who starts small, if tamed or untamed, it does return in a way that it grows
And when you
excessively.
talk about the sieve, जो आपने
Yeah.
इसमें दिखाया,
Yes, here.
when you put
This
it
one.
in this one,
Yeah.
so वो जो, whatever mothers have been using chutney,
Yeah.
I don't know. So the chutney also you can do it.
Yes.
It depends on how much you want to spend.
Yes.
And
A
you
lot of
think you
kitchenware
the
can be
next
developed.
millionaire making all this?
I see a lot of potential in bamboo in terms of how it
So you're
can be
dedicated
expanded.
to the project?
Yes, I think I would love to. In my college, yes, me and my friend Abhinav, we managed to spend 3 years behind establishing a center that is, which is acknowledged by the governing council and the senate. So it's Bamboo Design and Development Center in NID, Madhya Pradesh. Yes,
So
it
we
took
like
us
to
a
visit
lot of
there.
yes, definitely. So a lot of
Who's your
students.
director?
So my director is Vidya Rakesh right now, and this when we pitched it, it was Dheeraj Kumar who was the then director, and I think my faculties when me and my friend just had this wild idea of this bamboo in MP, let's make a center. Our faculties were the ones who used to take us to different places where there was bamboo growing or bamboo labs set up and all of that. And because they trusted in us and because we were able to spend blood, sweat, tears on this project, I mean, this was something very non-academic in nature, so our side hustle. But just before graduating, we were able to sort of
Where
launch
was
the
your
event.
internship, you said?
My internship was in frog design, so I was a product and interaction design. Uh, intern at Frog Design. It's under Capgemini
Yeah,
Invite.
where was it?
So I worked in Bangalore, the Bangalore studio. They have
What
two,
all did you
three
pick up from
studios.
there?
So my project there, I worked around delivery riders. This is Zomato and Swiggy ke riders, and their exposure to air pollution. So because their work requires them to be outside in that polluted air, so metro cities mein how can I help them better function in a way that they're not compromising on their work or earnings but are protected. And what I came forward was like a product and an interface that goes hand in hand that sort of helps them keep aware and protect themselves when they are out there in that air.
That's great. And I just, when you talked about this, I just realized that today we were at an event where people have flown in from China, they've come in from Malaysia, and some of them they're wearing masks.
Yeah.
And you might have worn one, I don't know. And bamboo mask is I think, the need of the hour. If you were to make a thread of bamboo and then weave it into a mask, can you do that?
Yeah. So a lot of textile is being explored. So in my college as well, we were sort of, motivating the students of textile and apparel design to take up bamboo in a way that explore the fiber because it's a fiber and when you cut down it's these smaller threads that come out. So bamboo fabric can be explored and all those materials can be looked at when keeping bamboo in mind.
Once
So
you are
definitely
dresses,
yes.
then you can be in the ramp walk, the showstopper
Yes.
next time at your college. So thank you very much, and please do visit here. This thing is in the open. It's भारत मंडपम में आप आएंगे तो उसके नीचे में है ये, and it's concurrently we have the World Book Fair going here. We have this is the dialogue
Design for Bharat.
Designed for Bharat, and today morning the PM National Security Advisor was here to address, and during the next 2 days I believe more people are going to come in here. So anybody who's watching the video tonight, do hop in here, come tomorrow. There's no ticket, I believe. So there's no ticket, you have to kind of carry your government ID for entry. Thank you.